Two industry giants, ServiceNow and Jira Service Management, both claim to be the top ITSM solution, but which one truly stands out in 2025? On the left, the enterprise ITSM powerhouse, ServiceNow, and on the right, Jira Service Management, the agile, intuitive service desk. Let's skip the hype and get straight to the real differences that matter. We'll put them head to head, scoring each critical category so you know exactly who wins where. And trust me, the final result might just surprise you.
Okay, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, here's a quick mind map of what I'll be comparing. We've got pricing, customization and scalability, integration and ecosystem, user experience, core ITSM features, and implementation speed. So, there's a bunch to look at, and I'll be calling out those little nuances that don't show up in fancy charts, too.
Let's kick things off with pricing, because, nobody wants to break the bank, right? So, first up, ServiceNow. Honestly, this thing is a powerhouse for huge enterprises. Tons of scalability, a pretty crazy comprehensive suite. But man, the cost? It's super high, especially for smaller or mid-sized teams. Like, if your team's not huge, you'll feel it in your wallet. Now, Jira Service Management. Oh, and here's something cool. It's actually quite affordable. You get flexible plans for pretty much any team size. The only catch? If you want those snazzier premium features, you gotta go upper tier. And it's not as tailored to those deep enterprise-level customizations. Still, between these two, you know what? Winner on cost. Jira Service Management, hands down. Now, let's dig into customization and scalability. ServiceNow is like the definition of build it your way. You can tweak it for pretty much any complex global organization. Seriously, it's almost intimidating. The only thing is, setup, it's not a walk in the park. It needs serious time and people to really get it rolling. And then there's Jira Service Management, which is a breath of fresh air for quick setups. Super easy, configure it, move fast. Agile workflows feel natural. But when it comes to super deep customization, it sort of stops at the team level. Organizational wide, it's not quite there. So if you want something that can grow massive and get super specific, ServiceNow gets the win for this round. Moving on to integration and ecosystem. This is actually kind of fun. Starting with ServiceNow, it's got options for integration like crazy. You want legacy systems? It'll talk to them. You want enterprise-wide ITSM connections? It's all there. Although, heads up, you'll probably need some IT expertise to unlock all of it. Now, Jira Service Management was practically built for developer teams. Seamless with all the Atlassian stuff. Jira, Confluence, Bitbucket, integrations? Super easy if you're in that world, but it's not quite at the level for big, old-school, enterprise-wide systems. So honestly, kinda a tie here. Both strong, just in totally different ways. Wait, quick fact break here. Did you know Jira Service Management can be set up in less than a week? Compare that to ServiceNow, which, let's be real, can take months if you're launching a full enterprise rollout. Wild, right? Time to look at user experience, starting with ServiceNow. Okay, so the interface? There's loads of features, powerful dashboards, you name it. But I gotta say, it's got a steeper learning curve. Can feel almost too much for everyday users. On the other hand, Jira Service Management is like modern and breezy, super clean. Onboarding is fast. Nobody gets lost on their first day. But if you want to do complex stuff or go deep with reports, ServiceNow just has more juice. For most people, especially those who hate confusing UIs, Jira Service Management totally takes this one. All right, time to geek out on core ITSM features. ServiceNow? This thing is basically the ITIL Bible. Incident, problem, change, asset, request management. You want advanced? They got it. But fair warning, it's kinda overkill if you just need the basics. Now, Jira Service Management is clever. It does agile incident and request management well. Lets you whip up SLAs and knowledge bases without pain. However, the depth in those ITIL features isn't really there. And if you want more serious asset management, you'll need to go premium. Still, when it comes to hardcore ITSM features, ServiceNow's ahead by a notch. And last up, implementation speed. ServiceNow is unbelievably customizable, but the price you pay is time. You could be looking at months before full deployment. Jira Service Management? Oh man, you can roll it out in a week. Minimal training, you're up and running fast. Sure, maybe it's not meant for massive organizations, but for getting going ASAP, Jira Service Management just blows ServiceNow out of the water. If you're a visual learner, it's time for the radar chart. ServiceNow is hitting those high marks on customization and ITSM features.
But Jira Service Management swings hard on pricing, usability, and implementation speed. The differences are kind of stark when you see them side by side. So, wrapping this all up, here's my honest take. If you're some gigantic enterprise needing a totally robust, customizable ITSM platform, ServiceNow is the champ. But if you're after something agile, quick to set up, and seamlessly plugged into your development workflow, Jira Service Management is the move. Each one's got its charm, but the winner, well, depends on your team's style and priorities. Which platform fits your team's style better? If you're still wondering, check out demos for each one and see how they work IRL. Trust me, getting your hands dirty is the best way to find out.